This video is going to show you how to make kielbasa soup. So first I have 2 pieces of kielbasa cut in small bite-sized pieces, 2 baked potatoes, half cup of onion, half cup of celery, a cup of green peppers, great northern beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, tomato sauce, beef broth, and golden and white corn, salt and pepper, and parsley. First, we're going to put the onions and green peppers in the pot, and the kielbasa and the potatoes, so we can heat all this up. We're going to cook this until the onions and the peppers are soft, and the celery is too. What I'm going to do is put a little bit of margarine in it, because we don't want it sticking to the pan. I'm going to put a little dab of margarine in, stir that in real good so it starts frying up. We're also going to put some salt. This is regular salt. This is black pepper. Just shake it in there. And parsley flakes, dried parsley flakes, just for seasoning. Shake it around. Then we're going to mix all this up and heat it up till the onions and green peppers are soft. That'll take about 10 minutes on medium heat. So we're just going to keep stirring this until the onions get nice and done. This has been cooking for about 5 or 6 minutes. The onions are starting to get transparent. And I drained all my beans and my corn, drained all the water off of them. So we have pinto beans, kidney beans, great northern beans, and golden and white corn. So I drained all the liquid off of them. So all I have is just the beans in there. Gets rid of a lot of the salt that they can the vegetables with. So now we add the kidney beans, great northern beans, pinto beans, and the corn, and the beef broth. Okay. Stir that up a little. All different kind of colors, all different kind of textures. Going to be a really good soup. This is called Polish Kielbasa Soup. Last thing we put in is our tomato sauce. Put that in. Nice big can of tomato sauce. And just stir everything up. Now you can leave this on the stove on low heat. Just let it simmer for a couple hours if you want to watch it that long, because you have to constantly stir it if you do it on the stove. Me, what I do, I turn the oven on 350, just put it in there and check it every hour. Usually takes 2.5 to 3 hours, because you want the beans and the green peppers, everything nice and soft, and you want everything incorporated together. So that's what I do. After you get all these ingredients mixed together, put it in a non-stick pot in the oven for 2.5 to 3 hours. Check it every hour. Stir it. Check and see if the green peppers are nice and soft, and the onions. But usually it takes 2.5 to 3 hours to be really nice, with all the flavors incorporated with one another. Put a lid on it, put it in the oven, check it every 2 hours. Our Polish Kielbasa soup is now done. It was in the oven for 2 hours. It is nice and tender and juicy. And whenever I give soup to someone, I always have extra mason jars in the house, so when I need to take somebody some soup. It doesn't spill in the car. You can seal it tight and doesn't take up much room in the refrigerator. So you just take it, dump it in there. This is a wide mouth jar funnel, so that way you don't make a mess. And then we just put the lid on and you're ready to travel. And the mason jar is made to have hot things in it for canning. So you're good to go. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe for Polish Kielbasa soup.